Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
In this episode, I will show you the 4 best soldering irons to buy. Let's get started. On number 1, we have Ming 60 watts soldering iron. No need soldering station, just plug and use. And 60 watts welding iron kit with on-off switch. It is convenience for you to turn it off at any time when you don't need to use it. It is widely used for welding, circuit board, appliance repair, jewelry and metal headdress making, computer and DIY. Very suitable for beginners, welders, basic household equipment, welding engineer training, etc. High-quality alloy soldering iron tip can resist oxidation, and this tips vary in size and shape, are designed for different types of work, such as repairing guitar, watch, computer, hardware, TV, etc. Interheated ceramic technology makes the soldering kit heat up to reach the desired temperature within 15 seconds. 4 ventilation holes on the soldering iron helps to cool fast. On number 2, we have LDK soldering iron kit. The professional soldering iron kit suitable for basic DIY fixes. It would be very satisfactory for the typical electronics hobbyist, maker, tinkerer, or DIY repairs enthusiast. Different shapes of tips make soldering iron easy to fit for guitar, watches, wiring, a mobile device, computers, hardware, small electronic work, TV capacitors or accessories. 60 watts 110 volts adjustable temperature soldering iron. Interheated ceramic technology makes the soldering kit heat up very quickly. On number 3, we have Meakest iron kit. This soldering iron comes with on-off switch. You can feel free to turn off the unit when not in use, which ensures the safety welding and energy saving. 200 to 450 degrees C adjustable temperature range allows you finish your work under different conditions. The electric soldering iron has an on/off key, can energy saving and safe soldering. It is a 110 volts 60 watts adjustable temperature electric soldering iron, warming up faster. 6 exhaust vents extend the life of the soldering iron, can effectively prevent the soldering iron from overheating. Different shapes of soldering iron tips make it easy to install on guitars, watches, wires, mobile devices, computer hardware, small electronic products, TV capacitors or accessories. On number 4, we have Kernowo iron kit. This solder iron contains an interheated ceramic core with 100 watts, which could heat up to operating temperatures. Heat-resistant screw head can insulate temperature effectively to get a long, cool handle. This soldering iron is designed with adjustable temperature and thermostatic on/off switch. LCD digital display can accurately adjust the temperature between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Compared with a soldering iron station, it is easy to carry this pen-type welding tool, which is as portable as wireless soldering, everywhere. The high-quality heating wires built solder gun inside to control temperature and adjusts with PID proportional integral derivative technology. And the temperature sensor in it will deliver precise temperature and heat output in time. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel for future updates.